Hi, my name is Haley Kolbitz, and I'm the Marketing Manager for iConnection. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Google Analytics account with a new user. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you're connected to the Google account that is set up for your analytics on your website. If you're not sure what that account is, ask whoever set up your website, and if you're not sure if one exists, please let us know and we can set one up for you. What you're going to want to do next is navigate to analytics.google.com. If you are connected, you should see some sort of results pop up. Then you're going to want to go to Admin, Account Access Management, add a new user, and then put in the email iconnection.marketing@gmail.com. Assign us as administrator and hit add. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.